you're doing good. And today we will be talking about a new topic, that is sort. Okay. So what is sort? What do you understand? We have done searching and sorting, right? So according to that, you have seen few topics how we can sort numbers. Today I'll give you a simple, very simple thing. There is already a function present in Python. You can say function method, sort method, which is already present in Python, which helps us to sort the items in descending or ascending. Okay, so let's do this. So let's take a list is equal to, let's take a list, let's say 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 4 comma whatever is coming in my mind. I'm just writing it down. All right, I guess there are some numbers which is duplicated. I guess there are no more. Cool. So now let's just simply try list underscore dot sort, and then print list underscore. And if I run this, see, it's sorted. Okay, now let's say if I want that this, okay, by default if you write down sort, it will give you an ascending order. Okay, but if I talk about, if you want to see the opposite, that means descending order, for that it's reverse equal to, you have to make this condition true. And if you run this again, have a look, now it's the opposite. You can also do this for letters. Okay, list alpha. Okay, list alpha. Now what is list alpha? List alpha will simply be a e, let's take b. Oh, I guess I thought b. Okay, cool. Let's take r. Let's take G. Cool. Let it be this much. All right. Now, what's the next thing? We need to sort them, right? So there is also another function that is known as sorted. SORTED. Okay. So you can try that out as well. Like list underscore dot SORTED. No, I wrote it wrong, sorry. It will be list. This is how you write this function. Sorted, then the list. Yes, sorry, my bad. And then if you want it to be reversed or not, and that's how we write it over here. So if I write down, no, let me not, reverse is equal to true. Okay, so if I run this, it still remains the same because I did not print it. And one more thing, let me just make this false. And now if I run this, have a look. You have two, one is ascending, another one is descending. By default it is already false, but if you add true to it, it will make it descending. Now let's do the same thing. It's list alpha, right? So let's just no, actually let me write it down only. So I'll write down list alpha dot sort, and let it be not reversed right now, let it be normal, and let's try to print list alpha. Oh, list alpha. And let's see what happens. A, B, E, G, R, V. Cool. And if it is, let me just use this quickly again. List alpha, obviously, and run it. See, it's the opposite, the descending. Okay, so you can definitely use this function before using binary search, because if you have a list which is not either ascending or descending, and if you try to use binary search, it will be a complete mess, because you need to have it in either of a sorted manner. It can be descending or it needs to be ascending. So this function you can use before using binary search. All right, cool. You can also sort stuff with length. You can sort stuff with key. That means you can use it in dictionary as well. There are many more places where you can use sort or sorted. Definitely try them out. It's a really good function to work with. So yeah, that's it for the day. In the next video, we will be learning about list comprehension. Okay, and what exactly can we do with list comprehension? There are like a number of things which you will be learning in that, and that would be used in daily life as well. If you code, it makes your code very precise, and it just looks good if you use list comprehension. So let's meet on the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep solving different problems.